Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make a very trending and effective natural fat cutter drink that helps to cut your belly fat. Very easy to make with very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To begin with, let's go and pick some fresh oregano leaves. Just a bunch of 4 to 5 leaves should be good enough. Clean wash it and keep it ready. Oregano is a natural antibiotic, lowers cholesterol, is a powerful antioxidant, treats yeast infections, improves gut health, have anti-inflammatory properties, helps to relieve pain and has cancer fighting properties. Add it to a mug like this. Then to this add 2 cloves. Cloves also increase metabolism, manage blood sugar levels and helps to reduce inflammation. Then to this add 1 star anise. It is rich in nutrients, reduces symptoms of depression, protects against stomach ulcer, prevents the growth of fungus and bacteria, balances blood sugar levels and reduces inflammation. Then to this add a teaspoon of fennel seeds. Fennel is high in nutrients such as fiber, vitamin C, calcium, iron, magnesium, potassium and manganese. It contains powerful plant compounds. It suppresses appetite and thus the calorie intake is reduced to a great extent. It also has cancer fighting properties. Then to this add a cup of hot water. Let this rest for 2 minutes. The flavors and benefits of the ingredients are getting extracted to the water. After 2 minutes, open and check. The ingredients are well soaked. So strain and add it to the same mug. Now a healthy weight loss drink is ready. You can consume this drink as such or you can also include honey to it. It's totally optional. Give it a quick mix and a fat melted drink is ready to consume. Drink it with a straw to avoid sensitivity and tooth enamel issues. Very simple to make and very effective. Have this drink first thing in the morning on an empty stomach and be on a balanced diet throughout the day and you will observe a reduction in your body weight in just few days. This drink a day boosts your immunity, so do try this fat melted drink at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.